Hey guys, welcome to Paths Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, in today's World Series is the topic about embracing different cultures. From my sociological background, I learned that culture is the way of life of a people. And as we travel around, we usually get to know different cultures. They are beautiful in their own way, each and every one. Well, I have two examples. Firstly, when I visited Masai Mara, I visited the Masai village. I got some few good ornaments for souvenirs, and also I learned how to make fire by rubbing sticks, and I observed the Maasai cultural dance, warrior dance. It was nice. And then also, secondly, the other example is when I was in campus, I did some basic Spanish. And it was quite interesting because we learned about of course, the vocabularies, the conjugation and all that, the language. And then also we had a Spanish day. During the Spanish day, we used to sing, dance Spanish songs, and we also did a Spanish act called the Spanish Fly. And then also we had some Spanish food. Um, we ate foods like the paella, and it was beautiful to appreciate and embrace that culture. Even if I've never been to Spain, but appreciated it. Well, it's good to appreciate all kinds of culture and embrace them as you travel. For more details, check out my website, patsoverses.com, and also check out the upcoming books. From my website, you'll see the updates. Have upcoming books on Pat's cinnamon recipes and remedies, and we have Pat's travel tips and tales, and we also have Pat's makeup business tips and bits for DIYs. Until next time.